yes, you can just put it on there like that. Like that. It's not a very accurate thing, but you know, it gets by. You want to just go on an angle, put it in that way. Same thing. See that? Keep on clear of that. And it will cut that. So
it is a fairly clean cut, isn't it?
it's not too bad. It's only thin material, but it will do up to about 5 or 6 mil.
Yeah.
Which is not too bad. We don't use it that often, but you know, it does come in handy.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Now the other one, this side here, this is a to cut the flat bar. I'll just show you. I'll get a bit of flat bar and I'll show you what that will do. A minute, right there. So whatever size you want, measure it from there.
Yeah.
And then just tap down there. There's the pedal again.
It's easy as that.
Yeah. So that does that. Now the other part is, if you want to look at the punch, it's also a punching machine as well. Yeah, this here will do some really long, sort of good diameter ones. I'll show you this here. Show you all the punches we've got in here. Over there.
Alright, ease. Oh, it does up to that?
Yeah, it can do some heavy stuff.
Yeah.
You know, not heavy, but you know, then there's some slotting punches as well. You know,
alright.
Do slots.
Yeah.
And you can see they're all the different sizes. Square one.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I say.
Alright, just.
You have to set it up each time, but I'll just show you how it works. I'll just punch that there. That's only a small one on this. So, put that in there like that. Bring this lever down. There. And then press that pedal. Simple as that. Yeah. And again, just press this one here.
I can't believe how quick and.
I mean, that's only rough, but you can set it and get it better. That will do about 8 mil angle, 4x3, which is 100 by 76. So that's pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good.
It does come in handy.
Yeah, I can imagine.
So, and it's a versatile machine. I don't know how many of these are around actually.
Definitely handy at home.
Well, thanks, Billy. See you again soon.
See you soon. All right.